Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Umkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you very much ke bafethu. Ezibuhlungu azipheli njengoba ngihleli ngisho. Kuthiwa akasekho emhlabeni ke lapha nayo guys, umfundisi uRay McCauley. I think indlela ke kumele upronounce ngayo leyo isibongo sakhe sithi MacCauley. Or MacCauley, something like that, you guys. Ongumsunguli lapha na webandla ke iRhema Bible Church. Simazi kakhulu baba, you guys. Mangabe uyibuka kakhulu ne-SABC isonto leRhema, I think uyalazi. Ngokwestatement esikhishiwe umndeni uMacCauley esekhaya lakhe enomndeni wakhe ngolesibili ebusuku. Sikhona lapha ne-statement abasikhiphile ngizothi ukufundela sona. Let me see ngoba mina ke namehlo ami yabona ke makubhale kanje ngisuke ngingabona kodwa ngizothi kufunda lesa statement kuthiwa ke notice for immediate release, Johannesburg, 8th of October 2024. It is with deep sorrow and profound sadness that we announce the passing of Pastor Ray McCauley, founder of the Rhema Bible Church, an evangelical leader. Pastor Ray has gone to be with the Lord peacefully at his home, surrounded by his family and loved ones. This is 1846, which is 14 minutes to 7 on Tambama. Now, at 75, Pastor Ray had stepped back from active church duties but remained fully committed to saving the body of Christ. His enduring legacy as a servant leader will continue to impact communities far beyond his lifetime. Further details will be communicated in due course. The family appreciate your prayers and support during this difficult time. Issued on behalf of the MacCauley family by Senior Pastor uJoshua MacCauley, signature laphana you guys. Kuthiwa akasekho umfundisi eweRhema bafethu ongumsunguli nomphathi laphana wesonto leRhema. Awuthi ngingene laphana kazi moja ngoba ngibonile bene-story esifanayo ngoba laphana kalokungana sifishane kakhulu. Rhema Church founder has passed away after many years of being in and out of hospital. uPastor Ray McCauley have passed away. Isona basibhalela phana kazi moja. Yeah, shame man, you guys. Kuthiwa akasekho kubaba. Founder of Rhema Bible Church, religious leader Pastor Ray McCauley has passed away at the age of 75. Kuthiwa the author and former bodybuilding champion was surrounded by his family when he passed away last night. His son uJoshua MacCauley confirmed in a statement, you guys. Sibhaliwe laphana lesa statement ngisifundile for nina bafethu. And then Pastor Joshua said that the family appreciates the prayers and support during this difficult time. MacCauley was the president of the International Federation of Christian Churches, IFCC, and co-chairperson of the National Interfaith Council of South Africa, NICSA. A human rights activist, the pastor worked as a nightclub bouncer in his early years before following his spiritual calling. As a bodybuilder, uPastor Ray earned the title of Mr. South Africa and took the third position in the 1974 Mr. Universe competition held in London. According to the sources close to the situation, Pastor Ray has been in and out of hospital and as his health deteriorated. Meanwhile, Pastor Joshua further said details would be communicated in due course on when his father will be laid to rest. Lona daba lukamfundisi weRhema laphana guys ongasekhoyo kubaba uRay McCauley kuthiwa usedlulile emhlabeni ubelokhu njengene esibhedlela ephuma. Sikhona istory basibhale ngayo guys kuma publications yonkana sengathi umoya wakhe ungaphumula bafethu. Simazi kakhulu umfundisi simbona laphana kumabona kude nakudala ngiyacabanga ukuthi bese khulile inkosi yami. So yameni guys umoya wakho ngathi ungalala ke ngokuphumula. Thank you so much ukuthi ibuke ivideo ushuvo lakho comment section. Akasekho kubaba uRay McCauley wesonto leRhema. Sizobe sihlangane futhi kwenye video elandelayo. Bye.